What's the meaning of anarchic? Anarchic. 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 Anarchic.
The term anarchic refers to the absence of a centralized authority or government, often resulting in a state of disorder and confusion. An anarchic system is characterized by the lack of formal rules or institutions that govern behavior, leading to individuals or groups acting in their own self-interest without regard for others. This can result in a situation where violence and chaos prevail, as people compete for power and resources. In an anarchic system, individuals are responsible for their own security and survival, making it difficult to establish cooperation or achieve common goals.